And today is Saturday. Start this again, Dawn. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dawn. This is Dawn Does Life, and tonight I'm driving on the west side of Saskatoon from 7 until 10:30 for Skip the Dishes. After the night I had last night, and if you guys didn't see the video, it's up here. Anyways, and linked in the description below. I will put it there. But oh, it was awful. It was an awful night. Bad kilometers, bad orders, and it ended with milkshake smoothie type drink being spilled all over the inside of my bag. Bag is clean. I am ready to go. Dying to see if this night's going to be any better. This is a true west side, east side. Last night it was Friday 7 to 10 on the east side. Tonight it's 7 to 10:30 on the west side. Hoping the west side kicks butt on the east side, just because I need a good night. So if you guys are dying to see whether or not this night's gonna be a better night, then let's just go. Let's just get out of here. Guys, so I'm sitting in the superstore parking lot waiting for an order. It is currently 20 after 7, so far nothing. The weather is horrible. I mean, so far as it being cold, it's minus 20 right now, so gloves are on. Shirt is green. I don't know why I said that. So have you guys heard the new Lady Gaga song? It actually kind of reminds me of the song I played on my Valentine video, which, by the way, I'll link up here if you like. Just kidding. That was not meant to be a shameless plug, even though it turned out to be one. But anyways, it kind of reminds me of that song. It's got that auto-tuned section where it goes really high. Anyways, I don't know if you guys like Lady Gaga. I really like her, so it's a good song. It has grown on me so much. First time I heard it, I wasn't too sure I liked it, but I love it now. So it was just playing on the radio. I'm going to spin you guys back around so that I can listen to it. Okay. And you will be the first to know if an order comes up. Okay guys, got my first order. It's picking up at Red Swan Pizza, going 4.9 kilometers for $6.49. It's heading to the Idlewild North kind of area. I'm not exactly sure where, and I'm not going to look it up. I'm just going to make my way. Just so damn excited to get an order. So, gonna spin you back around for the ride. Don't mind the window. The window is soaking wet because it's snowing. Anyways, whatever. Okay, I am at Red Swan, and I'm just gonna go grab the pizza, and I will be right back. Okay, pizza is picked up. Holy crap, is it getting bad out there. This has reminded me of last weekend when we got that weird, out of the blue snow dump, storm, blizzard, whatever. Okay, I am 8 minutes, 3.5 kilometers away from the customer. Gonna spin you back around for the ride. Okay, I'm gonna go take this pizza. This was gated and it was not easy to get into, but the customer is coming, so I'm gonna go grab it. Oh, look at that, no order came up. My stupid hood is standing up. Ugh. Get down there. Okay. That order is dropped off. So this is like some kind of gated apartment complex. I pulled up at first, door wouldn't open, so I thought, okay, maybe there's a back way around. I went around, nope. There's literally nowhere to turn, so I ended up going into, I don't know, somewhere by Syast. Drove around the parking lot, and then finally called her. I should have just called her, but no note, no nothing on the call. So anyways, I'm gonna spin you back around to let you know if another order does come up, but right now, no. And I'm just gonna head my way to downtown because I'm so close, so I'll see if I can pick something up there. Okay, you guys, I did end up getting an order, but I was driving, so I did not want to pull over just to tell you that. Just came straight here. So I am at Hudson's Canada's Pub. The order was 4.9 kilometers for $7.29. Just went ahead and accepted it. I mean, I am accepting everything right now, just to keep me at 100%, which I am. I'm not really seeing that it's giving me more orders, though. I came across another driver that said it's so busy, but I haven't seen it busy. I've been going without orders, just like I was last night. Like, an order's not popping up right away. But anyway, ooh, come on. Am I on automatic? Yeah, I am. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna go grab the order, and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, that order is picked up. It is getting worse by the second out there. I'm having a hard time even keeping my windshield clean, never mind. Whatever. This happened last weekend too. It's like same thing. I think it was a Friday night, maybe Saturday night. But we had nice weather. My husband and I had just had an argument. Not really, but he was saying, we're done. Spring's here, and I'm like, nah. And that night, actually, he went out to play D&D with his friends, and on his way home, I had like texted him at like 12:30 in the morning and said, have you seen it outside? I couldn't believe that he hadn't come home yet. And then it ended up taking him about 45 minutes to get home because the roads were so bad. They were doing the freeway at like 50 with their hazards on just to get home. It's reminding me of that night. Anyways, I'm going to spin you back around. Not really sure what you'll see, but I guess we'll see in the editing what it looks like. Anyways, on my way to the customers. 8 minutes, 4 kilometers away. Oops. Sorry, guys. Okay, I am at the customers. Oh, my app is frozen. What? Alright, just going to deliver the order and I will be right back. Whew. Alright, so that one again is dropped off. No good hair day today, folks. So, 2 orders, $13.78 total, and I've driven a total of 14.3 kilometers, so not too bad, but I'm just going to actually make my way towards 22nd Street in this crappy weather. It is so hard to keep the windows clean. Holy smokes. And cold. Like, I could turn you around right now, but I don't even know if you can see out the window, because I know I can't see out the window. Okay, I'm gonna spin you around now. Another order did come in. This one is picking up at Best Taste Restaurant on 33rd Street, and it is going to kind of River Heights, I guess. I am 6 minutes, 4.7 kilometers away from the restaurant. I'm gonna make my way there. Spinning back around to my blurry windshield. Restaurant. I'm going to go grab the customer's food, and hopefully it won't be long, and I will be right back. Okay guys, that order is picked up. I am 7 minutes, 3.8 kilometers away. Now where is it going to go? If it were up to Google, my car would be driving backwards again. I don't know what's going on with Google. They really need to update their app. Oh, and I should probably try to clean off my window so that you can see where I'm taking you. This is as good as it's gonna get. Okay, I'm gonna spin you back around and make my way 7 minutes, 3.8 kilometers. Okay. Alrighty. I am at the customers. Boy, I love driving in this thing in the winter. I mean, I wouldn't want to do a trip in it or anything, but it handles the road really well in crappy weather. Okay. Wait. Gonna go take the food and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so that order is dropped off, and this is the first time in 2 nights I've had an order pop up on my way back to the car. This is picking up at New Island Sushi on Circle Drive, and that's Circle North, and it's going, I think it said 8.6 kilometers for $10.43. Where is it going? Ooh. It's going to the Comfort Suites out of the city at Costco. There is a, I don't know if you can see this, but there is a rush game going on in Saskatoon, so, and they just so happen to wear my color. Okay, I don't know if I've already said that, but anyway. Alright, so I am 5 minutes, 1.9 kilometers away from the restaurant, and I'm going to spin you back around for the ride. Okay, I am at the not the customers, the restaurant. Oh, I'm just going to go grab the order. I'll be right back. Shoot. Okay, that order is picked up. I am 8 minutes, 6.8 kilometers away from the customer. The sucky thing about this one is I'm going to go out there and guarantee there will not be an order and then have to come back in. So it's kind of one of those ones where, you know, it might be an okay amount of money, but you're definitely losing out on kilometers when you go out there. Anyways, we accept everything here. I'm going to spin you back around for the ride, and I'll catch up with you when I'm at the Comfort Suites. Okay, I am at Comfort Suites, and I am just going to take customer their food, and I will be right back. I want to spin you around, but this guy is watching me talk to you, so whatever, I'm still spinning you around. Okay, so that order is dropped off. It was really cool actually. On the way up the elevator, I met a guy who just flew in tonight, and I guess apparently tomorrow they're filming the Junos this year in Saskatoon. And if you go out the end of the parking lot, Sastel Place is actually right out there. I call it Sass Place because that's what it used to be called. But anyway, and yeah, so they're starting the build for the Junos tomorrow, right after the Rush game tonight. And I also got another order. Cash order picking up at Sardinia's, going 12 kilometers for $7.90, and I don't mind because I was actually shocked that I got an order out here. So, okay, I'm gonna just angle you towards that place. Hopefully you'll see it. Kind of right over there, guys. Right over there. You know what? You probably can't see shit. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Okay, I am at Sardinia's, just gonna go grab this food, and I will be right back. Oh. And I'll be right back. Okay, just grab that order. Oh, my window again. What the heck? I don't know where my back went. That's really weird. I've never noticed that when it's on auto wiper, the back one and the front one goes. I don't know. Maybe not. I have no idea. No, it is. Look at it. What the hell? Okay, the craziest things make me happy anyways, or make me laugh. Okay, I'm going to spin you back around and make my way to the customers. I am 9 minutes, 6.4 kilometers away. Let's go. Okay guys, I am at the customers right now. And I'm just gonna go grab them their food, or take them their food. We're not doing that anymore. We're trying not to. Anyways, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so on that one, I was supposed to collect $22.45 and he gave me $25, no change, so a little bit of a tip, and that was really nice. No order has come up. I'm really close to Confed Mall, so I'm just gonna go pull myself in there, and we'll see if an order comes up. I'll let you know. Guys, so just got another order. This one is making me mad, but I don't know what that means. Picking up at Montana's and going 8 kilometers for $6. It's a top-up order, no tip, and I am 6 minutes, 3.2 kilometers away from the restaurant. Just gonna make my way there now, so spinning you back around. I'm at the restaurant. I'm gonna go in and grab the order, and I will be right back. Okay, order is picked up, and the customer is 8 minutes, 5.1 kilometers away, heading towards the Hampton Village area. So, going to spin you around as I make my way there. Okay, you guys, I am at the customers. I'm just gonna go take them their food and I'll be right back. Okay, so that order is dropped off. It was in Hampton Village, by the way. It was kind of Pacific Heights, Fairhaven-ish area. So, I'm a little bit a ways away from anything. Gonna make my way back towards Confed area, the Confed area. And I will check in with you in a minute. Spinning you back around. Okay, sat here for a few minutes. Another order did come up, picking up at McDonald's right across the street, Confederation, and going 1.8 kilometers for $6. It is a top up, and it's going right into the Park Ridge. Going into the Park Ridge area. Okay. Alright, so I am just going to go grab this food. Hopefully, this is the McDonald's. I think, yeah, this is the McDonald's that I got pushed by that other skip driver. So hopefully I don't get pushed tonight. I'm just kidding. But anyways, gonna make my way there. I probably shouldn't have even spun you around. It was so quick. But I'm here. Gonna go grab the food. And I will be right back. Okay, picked up that order. Just asked me if I wanted to extend my shift to crap, and I didn't even see if it was the east side or the west side. Still the west side, okay. Alright. Order picked up, ran into another skipped up guy, walked in as I was getting my order. He showed me his phone. He's at $191 for the day. He's been going since 2 o'clock today. Holy crap. Like, that's insane. Maybe I should work a little earlier in the day. I don't know. But I mean, the rush game probably made things quite busy as well. So I am 5 minutes away, 1.8 kilometers from the customer. Just going to make my way there now. Like I said, Park Ridge, can you spin me back around? Okay, I'm at the customers. I don't know why I thought it would be too much to, no, never mind. Okay, you guys, so I'm at the customers, just gonna go take them their food, and I will be right back. Okay, that order is dropped off. The guy looks out the door, no light on, looks out the door. Oh, is it trying to snow? No, it's not trying, it has been. Although it has calmed down a bit, I don't feel like I'm struggling with the window as much as I was. So, anyways, no order came up. It is 10:29. I did take an extension until 12:15. But if it's not going to be busy, I'm not going to stay on. So, I'm going to make my way back over towards Confed again. And if something comes up, I will let you know. Okay, you guys, so that's going to do it for me tonight. I did a total of 7 orders in 3 hours, 53:04, and drove 60.6 kilometers. So definitely better than yesterday. It may have been because of the rush game tonight. I don't know. The hotel seemed pretty packed, although I did only deliver to 1. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and as well hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Last video, YouTube will have it somewhere up here, and then I think they'll pick another video for you here. So you'll have your choice of one or the other, or both, up to you. Anyways, you guys, I hope you had a fantastic night wherever you are, whenever you're watching this. I hope you're making tons of money, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.